Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to work with a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency wallet, which is Mycelium Wallet. So to get started, we'll quick breakdown and the analysis about this platform. So to get started, Mycelium Wallet is a strong standing Bitcoin-focused mobile wallet known for its strong security, advanced features. It also supports hardware wallet, cold storage, and even lets you create watch-only account. It's an open source and trusted by many crypto Ventilian for its privacy tools like Tor support and a full control over privacy keys. However, Mycelium interface feels outdated. It's not ideal for beginners. It only supports a few coins and also lack desktop version, and users have a reported syncing issues and a slow customer report. So if you are an experienced user looking for a secure, no frill Bitcoin wallet, Mycelium stand up and still hold, but newcomers may prefer something more modern and user-friendly. And that's it.